Hello and welcome to crappy English weather. My driveway has turned into a lake. But this is Nutri Tuesdays and rain will not stop us. This is how you skate in the rain. Step 1. Put your hood up. Step 2. Zip your hoodie up. Step 4. Step 3 even. Find a bunch of old skate parts that you don't care if they get wet, such as this old Unabomber deck, these old, don't even know what hanger is, fracture base plates, one Thunder truck, enough wheels, and some like bearings from an Argos board or something, I don't know. Step 4, get extremely wet, and make sure you leave your camera inside to avoid like breaking it and stuff.